production of raised beds in my garage. So you can see all these pallets. So this idea came after I renovated my house. So instead of throwing away these pallets, I decided to do something useful, to recycle them, to do something for the environment. So you can see how much work I'm doing in my garage. So I will produce the raised beds here, paint them, and after I will transport to the garden, to my urban garden. So here I'm doing everything by hand. Because I ordered an electric machine. It's still waiting time to arrive. I ordered two. So while I'm waiting for my tools, I'm doing the curtain by hand. You can see it. I have become an improvised carpenter. I'm doing carpentry. And it's very easy as I imagine. So you can see me constructing the raised beds. So easy, and the thing is coming out. So you will see the end product after painting. So some of the screwing, I'm doing it by hand. I'm just practically doing everything here by hand. So this will be a really handmade raised beds. Handmade raised beds. I'm just being real, going back to the old days where things were all done by hand. There were no machineries. The technology wasn't there. And everything was physical, manual. So at times it's interesting to go back to the old days. I have produced my first raised bed. So I have started the production of the second one. So my intention is to produce about 3 of them before I start the painting. So I'm taking measurements. I'm putting these boards together to produce the sides of the raised bed. So stay tuned to see the end product. And you will see how they look in the garden. I promise the next series of production will not be all manual as I'm doing. I'm forced to do the cutting by hand because I ordered an electric saw. It still has to arrive. So in the meantime, while I'm waiting, I decided to start the work, doing everything manually. So I've produced the second raised bed. There are two of them now. So you can see the two raised beds. Yeah, so I've started production of the third one. Doing the cutting, all manual, as we know. I'm on the third raised bed now. Third one, after I finish, I'll do the painting. So the raised beds painted and carried to the garden. You can see them. So you can see how they look in the garden. I'm filling them with soil. So the beds are ready for planting. I've planted Irish potatoes, and here I'm planting garden egg. So in this raised bed, the sweet potatoes go in here, already ready for planting. So you can see the raised beds.